Hey everybody, today we're doing an unboxing, review, and demo of this knife roll bag made by Brujane. If you know of someone who is a chef or spends a lot of time in the kitchen, but they also have to take their knives on the go and they don't have a good carrying case or bag for that, this is going to be the ideal product for them, and it's a great gift idea for that reason. So let's go ahead and take this out and take a look at what is inside. So here is the bag. Comes in a nice green box and it's protected with this plastic. It's a sealed bag, so we're gonna go ahead and unseal this and take out the knife roll bag. Now, my understanding is that this has 8 slots that can hold knives of different sizes. You can see that this also has a strap with 2 ends right here, which will make it easy to carry and wrap. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the material. I know that this is water resistant. This is made of a solid material, so you can tell that it's going to have that long-lasting effect, which is good because knives last a long time, so you want the bag to last a long time as well. Let's take a look at the actual place where we're going to place our knives. And this is going to go right through here. And as I mentioned, the 8 slots come in different sizes. So the knives that I have for this particular demo are pretty similar in size, but if you have someone who is a chef and has some larger knives, then this can certainly accommodate that. I like how once you put these in, they fit real snug. They're not going to be moving around in that bag. And this is a much shorter knife that we're going to place in here, keeping that handle at the top, and then the final knife goes right here in the back. Okay, so now we have all of our knives stored in this convenient bag that folds up and that you can carry on the go. And let's just see how this is going to fold up, just like that. And then we are going to tie it using the straps right here. You can tie it in a number of different ways. I do a basic knot. I might even just do a bow to make it look a little more neat. And then you have all of your bags, your knives, I should say, contained in this bag. They're not gonna fall out of the bottom or the top. They stay in there securely. You can put this under your arm. If you're wearing one of those large aprons that has a pocket, you can actually put this in the pocket and take it with you. So a lot of benefits to using this. If you think about it, most of us don't have a product at home where we can easily transport knives because we do most of our cooking at home. But that's not the case for everybody, and certainly not the case for chefs who are on the go. For example, maybe they're doing some catering. Maybe they're at a picnic. Maybe they're working somewhere where they have to make food. Or maybe you know of someone who does a lot of barbecuing and they could use this to store some of their knives and other tools. There are a lot of different uses for this bag. Definitely 2 thumbs up. I like how easily it rolls up and unrolls and comes with these convenient handles. So altogether, a positive review on my end, and I'm certainly going to be using this a lot. I'm not a chef, but there are circumstances where I definitely could be finding a benefit transporting knives to different places, and this is the perfect carrying bag for that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.